Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Google Meet app on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by tapping open your Play Store, and once you are done, tap on the search button at the top of the screen and type in Google Meet in the search box and make your search. You'll be able to see the application displayed in the search result at the very top. With Google Meet, you can securely connect, collaborate, and celebrate from anywhere at any time. You can safely create and join high-quality video meetings for groups of up to 250 people. To quickly download the application for your Android, tap on the install button right next to the application and your download will begin. You'll need to wait until the download is done. It might only take a couple of while depending upon your internet speed. Always be sure to be connected to a strong internet, whether it is your Wi-Fi or your cellular data. As soon as it is done with the download and installation, tap on the open button to launch the app open. That is how you can easily download Google Meet application for your Android device. Simply pick your Google account and get started by tapping on Continue. Allow Google Meet to take pictures and record video by tapping on Allow audio record. And that is it. You have successfully downloaded Google Meet application for your Android, quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.